Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm here with a brand new video for bloggers, YouTubers and other content creators. So in this video I will tell you that how you can get high CPM keywords. So first of all, let me tell you that what is CPM. So CPM is cost per mile. That means how much the advertisers pay to YouTube or to Google for showing their ads 1,000 times on your content, and CPM is directly proportional to your revenue. That means if your CPM increases, then your revenue will also be increased. So in this video I will show you that how you can use Google ads to get high CPM keywords, so that you can put those keywords to your tag section and you can increase your revenue. So let's start our video. So first of all, open your browser, and from there you'll have to open Google Ads Keyword Planner. So I'll drop this link in a description box. Okay, from here you can see that discover new keywords and get search volume and forecast. So I'll have to click here, discover new keywords, and from here so let's say I want to make a video on email marketing. So I'll write email marketing and some other keywords. Okay, now from here you'll have to choose your location, your targeted audience. So I'm gonna write United States. So I want to target United States here, so I'll write here, and now I will save this and get results. Okay, so as you can see there, from here you'll have a lot of things to see, your keyword and your average monthly searches on the keyword and competition and top of page bid and top of page bid, low range and high range. So you have a lot of things to see here. What I'm going to recommend you is you will have to see average monthly searches and competitions and low bid and high bid. So this is CPM. So from here, like you can see that you'll have a lot of keyword ideas here. Email marketing 10,000 to 100,000. Its competition is high and its CPM is very high. It's minimum of $30 and maximum of $100. And it's minimum of $4, and here it's $20. So you'll have to check low range and high range of this bid and the average monthly searches. So from these three I will definitely choose email marketing because its average monthly searches is very high and its CPM is very high. As you can see that its low range is $30 and its high range is $100 per 1,000 views. So I'll definitely choose this this keyword to be included in my tag section. So I'll copy this and I will put this tag in my tag section. Similarly, I will, here you can see that email marketing services, it's 1,000 to 10,000 and its CPM is very high. Like you can see that it's $40 to $100 per 1,000 views. So I can use these tags to in my YouTube video uploading section, so that I can increase my revenue using these keywords. So use Google Ads Keyword Planner. It's very powerful. It's very a great service to get keywords and to get high CPM keywords, and that's for free. So that's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.